Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and had a few queries about OMG OmiseGo Bitcoin. This is my take. It's not a positive one. I'd done a previous in premium detailing how this was a rising wedge, and I expected it to break down when it was around here. And it is following through on that trajectory. Some interesting points. I've taken a snapshot of this, so I'll draw of it. You had over here, and this is the retrospective. This is why I always say go back into your charts, not for fascinating about history, but for what it can tell you about the future. You had from here head and shoulders. We take the logical round number that picks both the left and the right shoulder. You project down. This is using HVF method. You'd learn much more of this on our program, but that's a little factoid for you. You then project that down, and you get this target, which I do in purple, and you will then see you went straight into, make it green arrows, I suppose, or orange. What is an inverted head and shoulder. Again, the key level of significance is virtually on the round number. It runs the left shoulder, and then you have a smaller right shoulder, which is ideal. You have a test, dip, retest, dip. This in of itself has upside HVF structure. Drop a time frame. No time in this clip to go into everything. Note how you get the big break, and then you get the return move. Where does it stop? And then makes the target. So we needed a bit of progress decay here. Drifted off, made a fatal marginally higher high, which is always fatal, and started to come off. That's that over there. And as we're in here, it's easy to recognize the three touches and the buying grind line that has to be broken. This has happened. Possibility for a return move, and then I would anticipate a little more downside. This rally reaction is relatively small. Compared to this highly strong and impulsive up move, followed by a very steep sell-off. So this up move over here is not overly convincing, and I could see this further sell-off taking place. So favoring Bitcoin over OMG is the conclusion of this, and just watch out on any OMG holdings. However, there may be opportunity on a rally for those that are in to exit slightly higher. That's my take. And by the way, the 13th of March, we'll be doing our live webinar on the 7 mistakes traders make and the 3 great gifts. So you can book for that on themarketsniper.com and get started button. And remember to get the double opt-in. And once you've done that, you'll get an invite to the webinar 13th of March, and that'll be at 1930. So it's 7:30 GMT time. Look forward to it, and speak to you all again soon.